بسم الله.
What we've learned in this section: how AutoCAD MEP provides tools for modeling HVAC system, recognize HVAC tool palette, and how to access them. How to configure fittings, slope, and label style before starting the model's duct layout using Duct Layout Preferences tool. The multiple styles of duct system definitions that you can select, and how to create your own style using Style Manager. How to fix missing catalog issue by adjusting the catalog path manually. Fix the missing equipment issue by adding the correct profile.